Welcome to Informatica University Success Academy. A project is a container for organizing the worksheets and input sources to prepare data. You can add data assets that are stored in the data lake as Hive tables to a project. It also provides recommendations on additional data assets to add to a project based on the data assets added to the project. In this video, you will watch how to create a project, review worksheets within a project, follow recommendations, and add an asset to the project. Click New Project. Enter the name of the project. Enter an optional description. Click Finish. In the search field, search for an asset. Select the asset from the search result page. Review the asset. Add the asset to the project. Similarly, search for a JSON file from the global search bar. Review the asset. Add the asset to the project. In the Recommendations panel, observe the recommendations made by Claire. Observe the Worksheets panel. The buttons for Publish, Visualization, and Menu next to it will be disabled. This concludes the video.